Hey guys, it's Deborah with Timelessjewelbydebra. So I just got this most recent box in. I ordered it while I was in Tucson. I received it today, 5/23/23. It is a 15-piece jewelry from Phoenix. I have not gotten a Phoenix box in so long of jewelry, but I also haven't been ordering, so because I knew that I was going to be gone for almost a month. So I did not do any ordering. So we are going to give Phoenix a shout out if it's a good box. So let's see. So let's find the receipt in here. Yes, so I ordered this May 18th. This is 15 piece. It was $54. All right. Wow, what is it with these guys? They're not putting stuff in plastic bags anymore. Look at that. But, oh, no air pillows either. I don't know, man. It's getting kind of scary. All right, so let's get everything out of here. So we've got, it's supposed to be 15 pieces. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pieces. Okay, so it looks like everything's there. So what we're going to do is take everything out, go through each item piece by piece, and all right. Let me move that down a little bit. All right, I will see you in 1 second. So we have everything laid out here. This is a really super lot. I love it. No fine jewelry, but you know what? Every piece in here, except for a couple, are just really pretty. Well worth the, I believe it was $54 that I spent on this. So I am going to clear this off a little bit and we will get started, and I will give prices as we go. So we will start with what was in the box. Now, these, I am not positive. I know they're crafted and beaded out of some kind of, maybe wool. This feels like wool right here. I'm going to show you the front of the box. If anyone knows what that says, I thought it said pollen wool. If you see, I think it's Pollen. I'm not sure, and that looks like wool. No idea. I couldn't find any information out. I tried Googling it this way. I tried Googling it this way, and the pictures. All I know is these are super cute. These are boho style, and this feels like it is wool. And this is a beige, a very nice beige, with a hint of a mild pink to it. Hoop earring. So for these, let's do 3. Or no, you know what? For these, let's do 5. We're going to do 5 on those. All right. Next up, if you guys can see those, we've got some glowy earrings here. So these glow. They're super pretty. I always love to be able to bring out the black light. Oh, it looks like some of that J. Crew piece there glows as well. And here on this Chico's piece. So, nice. Acrylic does glow. It doesn't have to be uranium glass to glow. All right, so that was that pair of earrings. These are super pretty. These are glow in the dark, and they are an acrylic. If I had to call this a color, very pale green, but they glow beautifully. Here's the back. There is no maker's mark. I believe all the stones are there. Let me check the other one as well. Double check. All right, these are super pretty, super boho, super funky. Let's do these for 10. Then we got Anthropology, and I believe these are kyanite. Let me bring that up to you here. Beautiful earrings. And they're on this leather tag. Here it is in the back. Super pretty blue. I love that color. The Anthropologie Kyanite earrings. Let's do those for 10. And we got new on the card, loft earrings. Aren't these really pretty? These remind me of those Swarovski crystal necklaces with the different colors. I think you guys all know, like those station necklaces that I'm talking about. But these are really pretty. By Loft. Life is in the details. It was originally $34.50. And they're super pretty. I don't think they were ever off of this card. For these loft earrings, let's do those for 8. Do you guys see why I like this? There's some really fun pieces in here. All right, so then next we have these faux turquoise. They are gold tone with faux turquoise, and they are clip-ons. Told you guys clip-ons were coming back. People didn't believe me. I love these. So these are super pretty. Gold tone, faux turquoise. For these earrings, let's do 5 on those. Then we got a pair of Rachel by Rachel Zoe earrings. These are new on the card. Bring that up. It says adorn your soul. It looks like these are, an evil eye. I see the eye right there. And it looks like all the stones are there. Here's the back. These are also clip-on. So my clip-on girls, be happy. So for these gold tone earrings, let's do, for the Rachel Roy, I can't even talk. Rachel Roy, let's do 5 for those. And then we have another pair of clip-ons, and this has the screw back, and these are marked Napier, which is always nice. These are classic faux pearl with gold tone, and you can tighten them to your heart's content. So these are lovely. The Napier earrings we can do for 8. Move those off a bit. Alrighty, so where do we go next? We got an Alex and Ani. I haven't gotten one of these in a while. And that looks like a dragonfly. And it's in a brass tone. It does have some wear. We can do this for $2 if you're interested. It is adjustable. Alright, the Kendra Scott cup. So here is the bag. There we go. Kendra Scott. I love the cups. I think this is just so pretty. There is some wear to it. I'm not going to attempt to clean it. You can if you would like. It is gorgeous. You could swear it was silver, but it's just silver tone. It's like a platinum color, but there is definitely some discoloration there, just some wear, but it's beautiful. This is the Candace cup. Really easy to manipulate. For the Candace cup and bag, let's do 35. Next up, we got another bag. This is J. Crew. There's a little schmutz right there on the bottom of that bag. Move that off. So this is new with the tag. Alright, so we have a gold tone necklace here. Oops, looks like there's another knot. This whole thing was so knotted. So if I ever, send something to you accidentally that it was unknotted, that means I just totally slipped my mind. I always try to get everything unknotted. So what I will do is I will work on this off camera, and if you did decide you'd like it, I will make sure I get that out for you. So this has 2 faux pearls hanging down with little rhinestones. And it looks like all the rhinestones are there. So it is a really pretty piece. Great for reselling and for gifts. So for this J. Crew, let's do 15. Okay, then we got another piece. This is J. Crew, and I believe it's missing a stone right here. So I'll bring that up. Yes, it is. It's missing a stone right here. It's a tiny stone. Let's see. It looks like the rest of the stones are here. So it is on a gold tone chain. There is your lobster claw clasp, your J. Crew, and this is a locket. It does have some wear to it. It is missing that one stone, so I will be selling this as craft. Plus, it has a little mark right there. So for this J. Crew craft piece, let's do 5 for it. That's a pretty easy replacement for someone that knows how to do it. All right, then we got another J. Crew piece. This one glows. This one's going to be craft as well, and I'll show you why. So this faux stone came out right there. It just needs to be glued back on. I will leave that up to you to do. Otherwise, it's a pretty necklace. So we've got peach, we've got like a yellow opalite, and more of a greenish opalite color, and moonstone looking colors here on a gold tone chain. It's in really good condition otherwise. It just needs to be glued back into space. So for this necklace, I'm going to do it craft on this one for $5. All right. Then we got this really pretty Express, I believe. No, this is the limited. Yes. Okay, let me see. Right there, the limited. So it's pretty. It's silver tone. It's got faceted beads with little beads in between that go into a clear with silver tone. And then we've got the little squares. It is fun. It is mixed material. Let me get this all in here for you. So it is like a very pale purple, silver tone, gray. Love it. I love the multicolor there. So for the limited, it's 56 inches total length. We can do 8 on that one. Okay, this is one of my favorite pieces. I've always loved Chico's, and I guess Chico's just turned 40 years old. So happy birthday, Chico's. So I thought that was cool. I heard it somewhere today. But here is one of their necklaces. This has been sold out on their channel, on their website for a long time, and in stores. But it's super pretty. So this is out of the Sweet Palms collection, and this is supposed to mimic sea glass, but this is an acrylic, but it sure does look like sea glass. So this is out of the Palms collection, and it's different designs, let's put it that way. So sea glass, we've got a textured circle, we've got the beads. I just love the freshness of this piece. And then here we go. Here is the ribbon, and it's beaded. Here's your Chico's tag. So this is in really lovely condition. I don't believe this was ever worn. So for this Chico's necklace, we can do $15, and it is 20 inches long and has a 4-inch extender. All right, and the last piece is so pretty. I have always loved Talbot's jewelry, and I have always loved Chico's jewelry. So I was happy to see this. I think this is just beautiful. This kind of symbolizes the Talbot's jewelry that I like to collect. So it's simple, but very elegant and beautiful. So we've got 5 gold tone discs, graduating in size with a rhinestone in a floral design. Really pretty. You know, there's some wear here. Could use a definite clean, but it is in nice condition. It is not missing any stones. And let me get you. Okay, so it would be 20 inches total length on this. But yeah, this is one of my favorite pieces. So for this one, for the Talbots, we can do 12. So you guys let me know, what's your favorite piece? It's kind of hard this time. I mean, we got the J. Crew that need to be replaced. We got the necklace. We've got the Kendra Scott. We've got the clip earrings. I mean, how fantastic is that? So, all right, leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite piece is, and I will be back really soon, and I will see you guys on my next live sale. All right, thanks, you guys. Be well. Take care of each other. Bye.